Hello, dear students and parents. Today I am going to show you how to upload an assignment sent by the teacher. So, we have to open MS Teams app. So, after you open, you can see at the bottom activity, chat, teams, assignment, calendar. So we have to click on assignment and the page appears that you are seeing, and you can see here the assignments that has been assigned by the different teachers. Now I am going to upload an assignment that is being sent by English teacher, that is worksheet on nouns. I'm going to click on that. So the page appears this. So here you can see that the teacher has given the instructions, complete the given worksheet, and the reference material, that is the teacher, that has been uploaded. So we have to click on that. You can see the worksheet that has been uploaded by the teacher. So we have to write this worksheet in a book. After completing it, we have to take a screenshot and save it in the device from which device we are going to upload. So I'm going back again, and after reference materials you can see there is my work. Under my work we have an option of add work. I have to click on that add work and I will find a options, that is from where I have to attach a resource. So I am going to click on upload from this device. Now again it asks me from where I have to upload, whether from the drive or gallery or my files or from OneDrive. What I am doing is I will go to gallery and I will select that I have to upload, and you can see that my work is uploaded. So with this our work will not complete, dear student and parents. After uploading this, there is one option called hand in option at the top right side of the corner. In mobiles we will be finding it as hand in, and in desktops and laptops we will find it as turn in option. When we click on that, so our assignment has been successfully been uploaded to the particular teacher. Unless and until we click on hand in option or turn in option, the teacher will not receive the assignment. So this is how we have to upload an assignment sent by the teacher. Thank you all.